Hi friends, I'm Bunny. Today we're learning all about table manners, how to say please and thank you and eat politely.
Hi there! Join me as we learn all about table manners.
Bunny loves setting the table neatly before mealtime. A clean table makes eating even more fun. Bunny waits patiently for friends to arrive. Good manners mean waiting your turn and smiling kindly. When we ask nicely and say please and thank you, we make others happy too. Bunny chews with the mouth closed and sits up straight. Eating politely keeps the table happy. After eating, Bunny and friends clean up together. Helping each other makes mealtime magical. Let's remember what we learned today. We set the table, waited for friends, said please and thank you, ate politely, and cleaned up together. Great job! Bunny had so much fun learning table manners with you. Remember to be kind, say please and thank you, and always help tidy up. See you next time, friends!